This is one of the MCAS release questions that we're going to be reviewing and is on the take-home quiz I gave my students over break so that they could practice for the MCAS coming up May. Mia paddled her canoe from the shore of a lake to an island. She stopped on the island to eat lunch, then paddled her canoe back to the shore. This graph shows Mia distance in kilometers from the shore over time. So we can notice that on the x-axis, we have time in minutes. On the y-axis, distance from shore is in kilometers. So based on the graph, which of the following statements is true? So we want to think about how far Mia must be at any point in time. If this is distance from shore, so she's going away from shore, she's staying the same amount of distance away from the shore here, and then she's getting closer to the shore. Mia paddled for a total of 100 minutes. Let's see, from the beginning of her movement to the end is 100. I think we could probably say that's true. That would only be if she is paddling completely parallel to the island. So if she's not getting any further or any closer, then she would be paddling. So we're not really clear about that one, but this is like where test taking strategies come into play. If you know that there might be 2 questions to circle, then you can make a case for it. If there's just one to circle, maybe look to see if there's one that is going to be more correct, or you know for sure is going to be correct. Mia paddled a total distance of 3 kilometers. Let's see, she went 1, 2, 3 kilometers in 40 minutes. Doesn't seem like she went anywhere. She just stayed the same distance, and then she came back to shore. So she paddled a total distance of probably 6 kilometers, 3 away and then 3 back. So probably not B. C. Mia paddled faster on the way to the island than on the way back to the shore. So let's look at the slope of this. 0 to 3 in 40. If she went 3 kilometers in 40 minutes, then on the way back, so if we look at 70 and then go to 100, we see that she came back. So this was 0 to 3 in 40 minutes because it was 0 to 40 minutes. And then on the way back, it was 3 kilometers away to 0 kilometers away. And that went from 70 minutes to 100 minutes. 3 kilometers in 40. And then this one is 3 kilometers, 70 minus 10. That was 30 minutes. Well, that'll be 1 over 10. This will be 1 over a greater number. So this number is going to be greater than this. So we could say, given that the slope, it's gonna be steeper, not necessarily greater, but it's gonna be steeper on the way back. Let's double check our question. Our question is, so it says Mia paddled faster on the way to the island than on the way back to the shore. I would disagree with that statement. All right, and then Mia paddled faster on the way back to the shore than on the way to the island. Faster on the way back. I would agree with that, right? Because C and D are opposites of each other. So I would circle A and D. For more MCAS prep, I'll be doing a couple more videos on a couple other questions. Thank you for watching. If you want more, please subscribe. I got poetry, origami tutorials, strange things that I do, general day-to-day talks about life. Any of those appeal to you, please subscribe and stay weird.